Welcome to Wasdas and today's lesson on how to form questions in German. Let's go! Let's start with yes and no question. Let's take a look at a regular sentence and how we can turn it into a question. Du lernst Deutsch. Lernst du Deutsch? So, what happened? Was it magic? No. It was German grammar. Let's take a closer look. In a regular, simple German sentence, we have the following sentence order. Subject, verb, object. Du lernst Deutsch. Same as in English. You learn German. But whereas we need the helping verb do in English to form questions, as do you learn German, in German we simply change the order of the sentence. Verb and subject change each other's place. Lernst du Deutsch. Here's another example. Du schaust ein Video. You are watching a video. Here's the question. Schaust du ein Video? Are you watching a video? And that's it. Your last question might be, why are these yes and no questions? Because you can answer them with yes and no. Are you watching a video? Yes. Schaust du ein Video? Ja. But what other questions can we form? The W questions. W questions refer to questions with question words, which all start with W, both in English and in German. Here are the question words. Wer, who, was, what, wo, where, wann, when, warum, why, or wie, how. The good thing is that the way we form questions with question words isn't very different from the way we form regular questions. Let's take a look at our previous example. Lernst du Deutsch? Do you learn German? So how would we ask, how do you learn German? Well, we simply add the question word. Wie lernst du Deutsch? And the answer won't be yes or no here. How do you learn German? Yes. That person either didn't listen to you or he's an idiot. Instead, you could say something like, Ich schaue ein Video von Wasdas. Now, here are some other examples for the other question words. Wer ist da? Who's there? Was machst du? What are you doing? Wo bist du? Where are you? Wann kommst du? When are you coming? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Why are you learning German? Wie geht es dir? How are you? So, this lesson in a nutshell. In German, we form yes or no questions by changing the sentence order. Instead of starting with the subject, we start with the verb. For W questions, we simply add the question word. And as always, practice is key. To repeat and practice the content of this video, click on the link below and you will be taken directly to a free exercise, no sign up necessary. For even more exercises, explanations, tables, vocabulary sets, learning games and even online lessons, visit our website www.wasdas.com. You will find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our website for more content. In our next chapter, we'll talk about the indefinite article. See you then. Bye bye.